Okay, so this is the entrance and the entry phone system. So this is how you get inside. I like to keep my keys on the door with like a piece of like fabric around it so that I can hang it around my neck if I need to run down and get a parcel. I don't want to get locked out. So straight ahead we have the bedroom, then we have the bathroom on the right hand side, and then on the left side we have the open plan kitchen and living room. Let's start from the bathroom. So when you come in, you will see the right side, and then this is what you will see. You'll have the bathroom. So it's a pretty good sized bathroom, and I like to keep my shoes under there because I don't want them right in the entryway because it's quite small out here. I just keep my handbag there, whatever bag I'm using. So this is the sink. It's pretty big. Underneath there are two drawers. When I came, the drawer underneath was already broken, so someone broke it, and that drawer can't actually open. Only the top drawer can open, and inside I have just all my toiletries, my favorite perfumes, my hairbrush, like miscellaneous different things. So any medicine like that I might need, or like conditioner and shampoo. And then we just have the top where I keep my toothbrush and everything. And then we have a medicine cabinet in front with a big mirror. What I like about it is that you can just wave your hand underneath and then it lights up. So it's just got an automatic light. And then you can open it, and then inside are all my different products like nail polish remover, a spare toothpaste, makeup remover, and all of my different products that I need, some coconut oil and deodorant and all that. So it's really nice and neatly hidden away. So over here I just have my towel hanging that I'm using. I just leave it inside there. I think it looks neater. Then there's this weird motif that I really don't like, and I can't do anything about it. I can't decorate, so I'm thinking I might get a plant later on to cover it up, but I don't know because there's no windows in here, so I don't think a plant would survive in here. It'd probably die. And then behind the door we have lots of storage. So this is where I keep all of my different things. So I have some of my hair stuff like my hair straighteners, and also my blow dryer, my head for my wig. I also have bleach, toilet roll, and then we have some accessories and things in here for my hair. And then I have shampoo, shea butter for my body, and then I just have a few little bits of workout clothes here. It's a bit messy. And then we have my makeup collection. I minimized it a lot, and this is my entire makeup collection inside that basket. And then down here is just miscellaneous. So this is just a beach towel. That is a big bulk buy of kaolin clay. I like to use that for my hair and to make my own natural face mask. And then in here is just some scarves and little accessories as well. So that's a whole entire shelf of extra storage, which is really good. So that's the bathroom. So coming out, we have the bedroom. So we have this big window, which I really love. Like all of this natural light floods in the morning, and then it naturally wakes me up, which is what I love. So I have this little double bed here. And I got this bed from eBay. So it's just like this. The room is pretty small, so it just comes up to the door, as you can see. And then it's just got literally the space for the bed. And then at the bottom we have a little bit of walking space down there, and I just have my boots down there. So over here I just have a room spray. I don't know what those keys are for down here. I really don't know what they're for, but they just were here. And there is my little clock. So over here is the built-in wardrobe. So it's just like that. It's just built in. Looks very modern. I really like that. And my collection is not very minimalist. It's kind of chaotic. I need to go through it, organize it. It's just crazy, messy. All of this nonsense is here, so it's not very minimalist, but I'm trying to, I need to really go through everything and whittle it down and get less things. So I'm working on getting rid of lots of things. So I've got lots of, that's up there is winter storage. This is fabric for my sewing projects. So when I'm making toiles, and then I have my all my winter stuff. And then this main big bit is kind of like spring, autumn, summer all together. So it's kind of like a jumble, but I really want to change my wardrobe. And then in here is the open plan kitchen slash living room. So over here is the kitchen. I really like it because it's a full-size kitchen and everything is hidden away. So this is the fridge freezer. I'm not going to go through everything that I have in my fridge and freezer, but I'm just going to show it to you. So I'm sure you don't want to know about all the food that's inside there. So over here is really nice. This is a Bluetooth speaker. So you can turn that on and then you can connect your phone to this. So you can see it's on now and then just switch it off. So I can connect my phone to that and then have music playing. Also down here we have a little wine cooler if you want to be bougie. I actually don't use that because I don't drink wine really, like unless I'm going out socially. I really don't drink alcohol in general, so I don't use that, but it's kind of cool to have. Then the oven, the full-size oven. I also bought a little rice cooker from eBay. I really like this. The sink is pretty deep, so I really like how deep the sink is. And then we have this surface space over here. I didn't want to put too many different things, so you might see I don't have a microwave just because of how, you know, bad it is to microwave your food as well, the radiation, and also I don't have much space, so I wanted to be minimalist with that and didn't decide to have a microwave or a toaster. I just have a rice cooker and that's it. So up here we have my dishes. I have 4 plates, 2 side plates and 2 bowls, and then I have chopsticks, a cooking spoon, and also all my knives and forks. Here are all my seasonings. I have a lot of them. I like to bulk buy them and buy a lot. Some of them are in jars. Don't mind the tin, it looks weird, but what happened is when I moved I lost all my lids for my jars, so I had to think of a different way to keep all my seasonings fresh. So I've just put some foil on top to keep them fresh and stop them from going bad, but I can't find the lids for most of them because that would have been ideal. So I'm going to change them and then put new lids on top of them. And then just more storage for food. So there's quite a lot of storage for food. And then in here is like a big storage cupboard again for food. So down here is my washing machine. I'm not going to open that because it's a washing machine. All of my cooking materials. And then I just have a cleaning cupboard. So this is the sofa that I got from eBay, which is really nice because it folds down into a bed. And this cushion is a cushion that I made. Over here we have, you know, my sunglasses. So you just have these views of outside of the property of the church. I actually don't have a sea view from here. The other properties at the front have the sea view, but I'm actually at the back and I have this view. I don't really mind, even though I'm near the seafront, I don't have the sea view, but it's fine. I can always go outside if I want to see the sea. Over here I have a shell from the beach and also my crystal collection. And then down here I have a small little desk that I work from. Sometimes I work from it sitting down on the sofa, or sometimes I work from it on the floor. I actually didn't want a big like sort of table and everything where you could eat and stuff. I didn't want to take up the space. I like having the empty space and leaving it very minimal, because then I can take out my yoga mat. I can take out my yoga mat and all of my exercise materials, and then I can have it in the center, and then I have space to walk and to move around. So that's what I really like about that. So that's why I decided to be very minimal with that, so that can be folded away and put underneath the chair when I don't want it in the way. And I prefer that much more than having a big table in the middle. This is a very tiny flat, so I didn't want too many different items. And then over here, I just have my internet box. And then in here we have all of my sewing fabrics and my sewing machine. So this is my sewing cupboard. That's all built in. And then I have a Hoover, and then some more like sketchbooks and art materials. So I'm just trying to use every inch of space because I don't have a lot of space. I just want to make sure to use everything. Now over here is my sad little plant. It looks like it's dying. I don't know what I'm doing wrong to it. Just give me any advice in the comments below if you have any tips for how to keep this little guy alive. And it's really weird, like I can see like new leaves coming off. So it's still alive, but it looks droopy. It wasn't like this when I first bought it. It was really pretty. And now the leaves are floppy and I don't know what I did to it. So if you have any tips for that plant, please let me know. And then the last but not least is my full-length mirror. And I just have it here so you can just see that's it. So that's my whole entire room tour. Let me just do a spin. Yeah, and that's everything that's in my beachside apartment.